कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति। जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति। दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति। दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति। दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय देव। रत्नाखचित फरा तुझ गौरी कुमरा। रत्नाखचित फरा तुझ गौरी कुमरा। चंदनाचे ओटे कुमकुम केसरा। चंदनाचे ओटे कुमकुम केसरा। हीरे जड़िता मुकुट शोभा तो बरा। हीरे जड़िता मुकुट शोभा तो बरा। ऋण चुनते नूपुर चरणे घाघरिया। ऋण चुनते नूपुर चरणे घाघरिया। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति। दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति। दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
I am a devout man and always preach devotion. There is nothing before my eyes except devotion. One of the purposes of my life is to promote devotion to God. I am gifting lands, helping human beings in many other useful deeds. But in my opinion, the only purpose of my life is to spread devotion. The nature of devotion that I have to come understand is not devotional separation. The person who thinks that we are different from the society, nature, and from God, he is not a devotee. Whereas the person who thinks that I'm not separate from society and from the nature, and my life is for them only, he is actually a devotee. I am not different from the society, nature, and the Lord. And to be absorbed in all this, should be the purpose of my life. My actions of gifting lands, helping human beings is just a beginning. This is the beginning of what we want to offer to society, and this is called devotion to the Lord.
దేశం మనదే దేశం మనదే దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది గాలిలో ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా
మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమౌదాం అంతా ఈ వేళ వందే మాతరం అందామందరం వందే మాతరం అందామందరం
దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది గాలిలో ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా రాజులు అయినా పేదలు అయినా భరతమాత సుతులే కారా ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా
మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమౌదాం అంతా ఈ వేళ వందే మాతరం అందామందరం వందే మాతరం అందామందరం
వందే మాతరం అందామందరం వందే మాతరం అందామందరం
Investiture ceremony of the day. Miss Akshara Verma from grade 10 is the president of the year 2021 to 2022. Her aspiration is to become an astronomer and complete engineering in the field of aeronautics. Her hobby is to read books and listen to music. Miss Nicola Pati from grade 10 is the deputy president of the year 2021 to 2022. Her aspiration is to become a successful entrepreneur. Her hobby is to play basketball and listen to music.
All the blessings and best wishes of all the Intelli community is required for this special batch this year. This is the first 10th batch from our school. The students came to us when they were in 7th grade, and we took them each step one at a time. We didn't just directly jump to the 10th. And here we have our president. She's an elect, and they have been grooming to be leaders for the last 3 years, because they started out being a president even in the 8th grade, 9th grade, and now the 10th grade. We have Nicola Pati as the deputy president. A round of applause for these wonderful leaders. And as you can see,
Ms. Drakshayani from grade 9 is the Vice President of the year 2021 to 2022. Her aspiration is to become an IAS officer and serve her country. Her hobby is to sing and draw.
Dakshayani from 9th grade, congratulations. She's a people's choice. You hear those leaders who are the popular choice? Unanimous and highest majority. Dakshayani, with her smile, she got all the votes from all the students. Congratulations and all the best. You can step aside.
Ms. Tapasvi Sangita from grade 8 is the General Secretary of the year 2021 to 2022. Her aspiration is to become an aeronautical engineer. Her hobby is to sing, read books, and to create animations.
Tapasvi, new girl, lot of enthusiasm and energy. You know, they say that the fragrance needs no introduction. This girl, wherever she was, whatever she was doing, her fragrance was felt by everyone. And beautifully here, she got her General Secretary post. Congratulations, Tapasvi.
Miss Akanksha from grade 9 is the Mughal House Captain of the year 2021 to 2022. Her aspiration is to become a marine engineer. Her hobby is to sing, dance, and draw. Mr. Sheikh Rehan from grade 8 is the Mughal Vice Captain of the year 2021 to 2022. His aspiration is to become a Navy officer. His hobby is to listen to music and read books. Ms. Bhavishya from grade 9 is the Chola House Captain of the year 2021 to 2022. Her aspiration is to become a general surgeon. Her hobby is to sing, read biographies, and play basketball. Miss Akshita Verma from grade 9 is the Kakatiya House Captain of the year 2021 to 2022. Her aspiration is to become a successful businesswoman. Her hobby is to sing, dance, and play basketball. Miss Sai Tejashwini from grade 8 is the Kakatiya Vice Captain of the year 2021 to 2022. Her aspiration is to become an IAS officer. Her hobby is to dance and read books.
I, Nikhila Pati,
Captain of
Deputy President,
and houses names, please. Do solemnly pledge
do solemnly pledge
in the presence of this assembly
in the presence of this assembly
to abide
by the
code and
code and
conduct
conduct
of our esteemed Intelli community, to be honest and true to the core and what we stand for. I promise to carry out all my responsibilities entrusted with courage, conviction, inclusivity, and involvement. Above all, uphold the integrity of the values of our community. I hereby affirm that I work with honor, love, faith, trust reposed on me, and work selflessly, inclusively for the collective learning and development of my friends and Intelli family. It would be my honor, prestige, privilege, and glory to uphold Intelli flag high. Thank you.
ఈ 75వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినటువంటి నన్ను పిలిచినటువంటి యాజమాన్యం మేడం గారికి, మన కరెస్పాండెంట్స్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు శ్రీదేవి మేడం అండ్ సందీప్ గారు, అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినటువంటి పేరెంట్స్ అందరికీ కూడా స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. మనందరికీ తెలిసిన విషయమే, మన కంట్రీ భారతదేశం అనేది ప్రపంచంలోనే ఒక గొప్ప దేశం. బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళు సుమారు 400 ఇయర్స్ మనల్ని పరిపాలించి మన కంట్రీకి వచ్చి మనకు సంబంధించిన అసెట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా వాళ్ళు తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోయి మనల్ని బానిసలుగా చేసి, మన ఫోన్ అంటే టెక్నాలజీ అనేది మనకి ఎంతవరకు ఉపయోగమో దానికి 100 times అంత బ్యాడ్. కాబట్టి ఎంతవరకు ఉపయోగమో అంతవరకు టెక్నాలజీని ఉపయోగించుకునేటట్లు చేయండి. పిల్లలందరినీ సక్రమ మార్గంలో ఉండేటట్లుగా పేరెంట్స్ వాళ్ళని గైడ్ చేయండి. టీచర్స్తో పాటు పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్. దయచేసి సోషల్ మీడియా దీంట్లో పడద్దు. ఈ ఫేస్బుక్, వాట్సాప్ లాంటి వాటిల్లో దయచేసి పడద్దు. అది ఎవరో తెలియని వ్యక్తులు తెలియని విషయాలన్నింటిలో తలదూర్చొద్దు. దయచేసి కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటూ, మీరందరూ కూడా మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ చదివిన పిల్లలందరూ కూడా మంచి భవిష్యత్తు రావాలని, వాళ్ళు మంచి స్థాయికి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్స్ మదర్ వాళ్ళందరూ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్తో వాళ్ళు ఇంకొంచెం పెద్ద స్థాయికి వెళ్ళాలని కోరుకుంటూ, నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు మీ అందరికీ కూడా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Conveyed, I don't know what the takeaway my students and my Intelli community will be taking. I would like to do my resonance of this is, sir has compared our culture, our ancient culture with the new thing, because we have such close attachments with the mother and the motherland. There are so many things are in a beautiful way in our country. Remember that. Let's not try to get everything that looks westernized or fancy. That is a beautiful thought. Thank you, sir. Request Niti, this is our pilot, the girl who is, so whoever is going on a flight and you thought that's an amazingly cool job to fly an airplane, here I got you one such dynamic young leader. This is Niti here.
She is a pilot, Miss Niti Rakhara. She's a pilot who comes from one of those families which never steps back in defending our country when in threat or when in need. And she happens to be our guest of honor for today's event. I request Miss Niti Rakhara to please share a few lines about her childhood and also what inspired her to choose this profession.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Niti Rakhara, and Happy Independence Day to everybody. Happy Independence Day to everyone. So I've come here prepared with 2 speeches, but I was thinking to myself, what is it that I can say that you won't find on Google, which is me and my life. So what can I do differently here is to tell you what I did differently to be a pilot. But to begin with, how many of you here don't know what you want to be in the future? Okay. So how many of you here don't know what you want to be in the future? Nobody?
You guys know what you want to be in the future? Ma'am is asking you. Yes or no?
Okay, so when I was a kid, I had no idea what I want to be in the future. So, because as a child, I was equally good at sports. Basketball was my game, and I was equally good at math and good at painting. So, but then I decided to be an engineer. And after my engineering, I got a job in marketing. So, it wasn't until I was 24 that I decided I want to be a pilot. So, as a child, I grew up in an army background, and I grew up watching air shows on army days and navy days, and I watched those fighter jets fly upside down, and I thought it would be so cool if I get to do it someday, and I got to do it. I actually got to do it when I was training. But I would be the worst pilot in the world if I have 200 passengers behind me and I'm flying upside down. But I was fortunate enough to get the opportunity to do aerobatics during my training. So I'm here to tell you that don't think you have to decide now what you want to be. Don't feel the pressure to choose mainstream fields like being a doctor, being a lawyer, being an engineer. If that doesn't interest you, don't do that. If let's say you like art, be an art curator. If you like cockroaches, be an I'll tell you the word. Be an entomologist. If you like underwater wildlife, be a scuba diving instructor, like Katrina Kaif in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. So I'm here to tell you, you can be anything you want to be, but the only thing you need to remember is to work hard at whatever stage you are at. And do not forget to have fun, because that's what I did, and I can tell you that I am where I am today, who I am as a person, the personality that I have developed. It's based on an overall experience, and not just studying, not just books, but to participate in co-curricular activities, because that's going to help you shape, your future. So as Einstein rightly said, everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, for its whole life, it's going to think that it's stupid. But, so now that brings me to my next point. Don't be afraid to fail. Because all my life, I've encountered so many failures, but that didn't stop me from taking more risks. At the age of 24, after being an engineer, if I decide to be a pilot, so that is a risk I took, and it worked for me. So I can tell you, even at the age of 30, take a risk. Go ahead with what you feel like doing, what you're passionate about, where you'll persevere, and not just, mainstream. It's not like if you go abroad, you're successful. It's not like if you do your PhD, you're successful. You can be as successful with a bachelor's degree. You can be as successful as a high school graduate. So, so when I was training, during my training, I was struggling to do something as basic as turning an aircraft. That is the most basic thing. And I was struggling to do that, while the others were doing it quite comfortably. So then that pushed me to work hard, to practice every day. And I became one of the first people in my batch to fly alone, to fly solo without any instructor. Thank you, ma'am. So my next 2 minutes are going to be targeted at girls. Today our country turns 75, and we have the freedom to be whoever we want to be. We are commanders of paramilitary services, we are journalists, we are athletes, we are whatever we want to be. Today, nobody can tell us who is it that we want to be. My mother herself is a retired army officer. So don't let anybody tell you you're any less. You as girls are hardworking people, you are dreamers, you're achievers, so have the ambition. Like, look at ma'am here. She's leading this place here. She herself is such an inspiration.
Oh, I'm surrounded by so many women here, you can see.
Absolutely, absolutely. So this is an example for you guys to go in the future and not be afraid because you're girls. Rather, feel stronger that we are women and we can do whatever it is that we want. So I would like to conclude by telling you that everything begins with one thought. So just remember, you can be, have, or do anything you want in life. Jai Hind.
Thank you. We are looking at what we are stepping into. These kids are our projects and our extensions. And if we do not bring about everything that we are seeking as changes in their day-to-day lifestyle, talking about change will be like a WhatsApp university where we keep on passing the messages from one person to another. To stop that process and bring about the internal change that we talk about, here are a few things that we are doing and we are sharing it with you so that you would also take part in this. First level where we are making some changes are we are rewiring the words. As you can see, we are calling competitions ignited events. Instead of giving the prizes, we are talking about acknowledgement. In our school, we are trying hard to remove the words rules and regulations because your kids are not liking those words. We are going to replace them by rewiring ourselves with new words like code, system, and we don't want to hear the words like punishment. We talk about just consequences because words change then we change. This is the power of the words. We are bringing about change from there. For example, if it comes to Independence Day celebrations, it's not just this decoration that you see. Yes, this also took a lot of work. A round of applause for all the team for putting it in a short period of time so beautifully. As you can see that they even have a sanitizer on our backdrop. And don't forget our Neeraj took the place along with India there, the gold medalist of course. From this point, we want to change it to the basic, our way of lifestyle. How we did it was, as you all have noticed it, I want to convey it to the some of co-learners and some of nurturers who are not actively listening what we are making as a big noise here is we celebrated 4 days of the flag where orange, the day of orange, not only we made them dress up, not only we dedicated that day for the unsung heroes and had some ignited events, we also asked them to take an initiative on that day. The Orange Day initiative was because it is for the unsung heroes and their sacrifice they made. We told them, how about taking an initiative forever in your life? You would wear ethnic clothing on your Independence Day for sure, wherever you are, however you are. This we will be taking it up much more deeper for your student by telling them time and again, this was the Orange Day initiative. Similarly, when it came to white, we were talking about the glory our country is experiencing not just by these sports heroes, by the development it makes. In a world where it has become fashionable to forward the memes about our country and talk and sit and joke about how badly we are doing, it is very important that we talk to our kids and make an initiative and connect to them that this is our motherland. You can't insult your mother. You can't forward a joke or a meme about your mother. Connecting that, we made them take an oath saying that they will not participate in any conversation that is insulting towards our country or forward or represent anything on the social media that will make us look not good in terms of ourselves. Forget about outsiders. For our sake, this is what we are doing. When it came to our flag green color, Mother India is not this table or this fan or light. It is this Mother Earth, and they need to connect themselves to this Mother Earth. And we ask them to take a tiny initiative. This looks so off from what we are doing. The initiative being, don't fill the glasses completely. We see that in number of events at home and every place we just fill off. As you can see, we have tiny bottles. We are going to reuse the bottles, by the way. We are making that as an initiative. We want to make sure the kids are filling bottles or everything, just 3/4 of it, by saving our resources. And also an initiative that on their birthdays, they are coming and planting trees in our school premises. I think that was done by our dear student. What is his name? Who gave the plant and went? Your Viraj came and gave the plant and went on his birthday. This is how we are bringing out the green day. That means the love for Mother Earth. Now it comes to our Ashok Chakra. The glory of ancient India cannot be forgotten. We showed them the videos about it. We discussed about it. Other than that, they should take pride in being that Indian and that values. So we told them at least once in a week, in fact, we want to bring out it in the school also, that they sit down on the floor at least for 1 hour or 2 hours in a week. We want to initiate that, because sitting down and squatting should not be something that you attribute to you being embarrassed. It should be something you do it with pride. This is what we want to bring out. And in the days where we never touch our feet to the ground. When was the last time you touched your feet? No, in your apartment doesn't count. I'm talking about the soil. When was the last time you put your feet on the grass or on a soil? we are, this body is made of that earth. If we don't connect, as Sir has spoken, you don't hug your mother, you don't touch your mother, where will the richness of our country seep through us? So there are supposedly a lot of health benefits. If you read out these days that if you walk barefoot, how it is going to be really good for your body. We want to bring that out by making our kids walk barefoot at least one time in the week. These are the initiatives we have taken up when it comes to our Independence Day celebration. So Independence Day is not just a decor program, guest and all. It is an initiative. We would like to take it forward, and we request all of you to be with us. Thank you for giving these few minutes on a day. I know August is a month of so much of humidity. Still, I can see so many of you sitting here and being with us and also enjoying the programs. Thank you for giving me a few minutes to communicate this. I request all of you to put in how to take it from here is with you. Keep reminding them about these things. Encourage them so that this becomes part of them. We do our bit, you do your bit. And my dear students, we look forward to meeting you in the next few months. We are getting all geared up. Now, without...
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है।
है मेरी जमी अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे।
हाँ मेरी जमी महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Can we have a big round of applause, please?
हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान, हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान मेरी शान है। हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान, हम करते हैं ये वादा माँ, तेरी आँखों में का सोना आने देंगे, दे देंगे जान। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शस्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे
Yeah, a big round of applause, please.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे
Well, it's a big surprise. Where are all our co-learners? A big round of applause for all our co-learners.
Team Intelli, all my teachers,
I would say co-learners. We come together to make this possible. Big round of applause.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत